Cringe is that uncomfortable feeling you get from encountering something awkward or embarrassing. And if you're looking to elicit that response in a friend or classmate, there are plenty of creative ways to do so. You can use phrases that evoke discomfort, like, "Can you imagine what it would feel like if your teeth dragged against concrete?" Or tell bad jokes with utmost sincerity to induce second-hand embarrassment. Making silly faces or chewing with your mouth open can also get a rise from your audience, as can making annoying sounds with gum or balloons. Additionally, you can create cringe-worthy scenarios by pretending to have awkward conversations in public or reminding someone of their past mishaps. Even public compliments can elicit cringe if timed right, especially if they put someone in the spotlight. Use these techniques to have fun, but be mindful of your audience's feelings.